Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out a 3-channel dash cam. This is from GKU, and this is the D1000. So let's go ahead and check this out. User manual, support card here, 2 electrostatic stickers. Here is the main camera here. There is your micro SD card. Here is your mount. Here is your rear camera. And your power, a panel tool, and some extra camera stickers. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this thing installed and see what we got. All right, so I have the camera installed. This wire here, this connection here is to power the camera, and then you have this connection here on the bracket that powers the rear camera. The micro SD card slot is right here, and also you could see how adjustable this is. Here is the front camera right here, then you have your interior camera, and then you have your rear camera. The interior camera is right here, and it has 4 infrared lights around the camera, so you're able to get really good shots at night. You have all your options here. To activate those options, you have the corresponding buttons at the bottom of the camera. This button right here changes what you see on the display. Here's the front. Here is the interior camera. Here's the rear camera. This button right here, you're able to get to your folders and use the arrow buttons to navigate to find what video you're looking for if you need to go that route. This one always brings you back to the camera, and then you can put your mute on so the mic doesn't pick up anything. Then here is your menu. All right, so you have all these options here. You can change these settings on this camera, or you can use the app. As you can see, the resolution up here, 4K for the front camera, 1080p and 1080p for your interior camera and the rear camera. And then this button here, you're able to take a snapshot. Picture success. So you have what they call an emergency lock button right here. So if it's particular something that you want to store on the memory card, it'll stay stored and it won't overwrite.